Hi, everyone. I want to take a minute and address some questions and some rumors and stuff that have been going around this week. I think a lot of people had heard there was a call with the governor today and the commissioner of ed and the commissioner of MDH. They met with superintendents and had a conversation today. A lot of rumors building up to that with some thoughts that he was probably going to move schools into distance learning, and that was not the purpose of the call today, and that is not what he did. His message actually in that call was that is not something he's looking at doing at this time. Certainly, some other things that he talked about in there. He talked about the new executive order that came out that a lot of you have probably heard about or seen this week. Some things in there that will be impactful in our district, and we need to take some time and go through that. So I don't have answers what those things are going to look like now, and I just wanted to share what I do know with you. The fact that we know those things are there, and we're going to take some time to process that. There was actually a second executive order issued later today, extending the deadlines to implement some of those changes, giving us at least a few weeks to process what those things are, because some of those things take some time and some communication with the local union, with the EA and that sort of thing to look at. So know that we are aware that those things are in place, and we don't have answers what that looks like for us right now. It was something that was new to all of us with that message coming out later yesterday and into today. At this time, he did not close schools, though, and that rumor about shutting things down between Thanksgiving and New Year's, that is just rumor at this point. So a couple things I do want to mention, though. Certainly we've noticed some changes with with absences and with some of our numbers. County numbers continues to be a question with the increase there and how many people are out. So I know that we do continue to watch that, paying very close attention to those numbers right now and what that means. I'm just going to encourage everyone again, like we've been saying all along, to make sure, when we're at school and even out in the community, avoiding those large group gatherings, wearing masks, washing hands, practicing social distancing. Those pieces are so important. Applying those practices in school and out of school really affects what we can do with our learning model too. So we want to continue to be in that least restrictive model we can for as long as we can. We don't know how long that's going to be right now, if we can remain in hybrid or not, or if we're going to have to change. So right now we're still where we are, but just want you to be prepared, be thinking about what does distance learning look like if that were to happen at some point. What would that look like for your classroom, and be preparing kids for that if that happens. We don't want any sudden changes, but we do have to be realistic with what's going on with our numbers too, and just do the best we can with that. So that's what I've got for an update for you right now. Just wanted to touch base and share that, kind of quell some of those rumors that are going around. We'll be in touch as we know more, but for right now, it looks like a gorgeous weekend. Encourage everyone to go out and enjoy that. Make good use of that time when we have it before winter hits us here. All right, thanks everyone. Stay safe. Bye.